Ruby and Diablo have another dog food review for you. This morning we are going to be trying Merrick's chunky colossal chicken dinner. This is what the packaging looks like. Pause now if you would like to take a peek at the ingredients and of course the nutrition facts. I do want to point out that the crude protein is only 8%, which is a little bit lower than what we typically see in some of our canned dog foods. Let's give it the sniff test. Oh, I think he likes it. So here's what the dog food looks like. It's big chunks of chicken. It seems like it's pretty brothy, and then you can see some peas in there. So once I've scooped out some of the meat, you can see that gelatinous texture in there. That is some fats, collagen, other nutrients. So I am going to be using this as a topper, so I've only used a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and mash it into the kibble. This is more of a loaf texture or kind of like a pate. It does hold its shape pretty well when you're trying to cut it up. If your dogs are like mine, I can't leave these whole pits in there, otherwise they'll just pick them out and they won't eat the kibble. No complaints here, they are very satisfied. This one is a win. Merrick Chunky Colossal Chicken Dinner. Enjoy!